mandated by the factory. Right? There are tools in here that we will never, ever, ever use.
Oh, he just broke the bike. Oh dear.
So he can probably tell you what they are, but what's this, man?
That's for holding the pulley on a Carrera GT.
Okay. So Carrera GT, what are the chances that we're going to see a Carrera GT at Porsche Ontario? Maybe. You know, Newport Beach always has at least 2 Carrera GTs at any one time on a rack in this shop. And the average repair order is $30,000.
But they don't know I'm here yet.
Yeah.
And we actually have, my foreman used to do all the studio work so he used to do a lot of Carrera GT. So it's about getting the word out. Once people know that we're here and what our philosophy is, believe me, they'll come. They'll come. So yeah, we have everything here. So
when you build a new store, you don't get to pick, you get told. They tell you what you have to buy. These mandated, you have to buy these chests. You have to have a certain amount of them. I mean, it's insane. The expense of building one of these places.
And we wanted to do it to facilitate the technician, because time is money, right? They get paid on the work they do within a specific time. So, for instance, these are tools that we use all the time. So instead of the technician having to find out if the tool is there, we can just walk by and say, oh, it's there, and grab it. Rather than go into the drawer and say, oh, it's not there, and then have to go and ask for it. We do a lot of electrical diagnosis, and some of that diagnosis involves hooking up equipment to their testers. They all have their own individual laptops, Porsche testers, but there are things that connect to that tester, like oscilloscopes and stuff like that. So I was thinking, okay, it takes about half an hour to set that up. How can I make it easier for the technician? So this we built, so everything is already here. So all the technician does is plug in their laptop to the docking station, and everything is already there. I just saved him half an hour. It's done. Then when he's finished, unplugs it, puts this back, carries on working. So we're always trying to think outside the box just to make the procedure, because it benefits you. The quicker we can fix your car and diagnose it, the quicker it's happening. So that's where I thought. Any questions? No? Cool. So, as you can see, we also fix Porsche bikes. Yeah. So, this actually came from the factory. It was their old stock that someone donated to us, and so I'm going to build a few, because I also build bikes. So, I'm going to build some bikes. Okay. This one is, yeah, this two here, where the target is. This is the range.
Anybody tell me, why is the Taycan lift different to the others? Anybody know? What about the battery? They have to be wider. The bays are actually wider, because eventually, we haven't done one yet, but eventually we're going to start replacing batteries.